Everybody loves a rooftop tent, and this one from Pittman is really nice. Rooftop tents are all the rage right now, and this offering from Pittman Outdoors is another great option in the market. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for a quick and efficient camping option to enjoy all the beautiful mountains and streams across this great land, or a more adventurous overlander looking for remote locations, this tent has you covered. Get it? Covered. From top to bottom, Pittman Outdoors has created a great tent capable of comfortably housing 3 to 4 people. The foundation of this tent is built on an aluminum base plate with a robust 1-inch tube frame. There's even a premium telescoping ladder to help you get in and out of the tent with ease. The heavy-duty ripstop fabric is backed by a waterproof liner with double-sealed seams. This creates a tent that is not only waterproof and wind-resistant, but is also UV protected. A complete protection solution from the outdoor elements. The roof of the tent and the rainfly also have a sky view sunroof, allowing you to enjoy the sunshine or stargaze at night. Pittman Outdoors even included a few finishing touches that are really pleasing. The high-density, non-deforming foam mattress is really comfortable and great after a long day of adventuring. Plus, the LED strip light added to the center ridge and the shoe pouch outside the main door are perfect little touches. This tent is sure to please. If you're interested in this rooftop tent from Pittman Outdoors or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.